Hi guys. So in this video, I want to talk about Firebase. Firebase offers many services, but one of the services I want to talk about is authentication. Firebase has an inbuilt backend for authentication. What do I mean by authentication? Users registration. That is you logging in, you signing up, and what have you. So in this video, I just want to, and by the way, Firebase is also powered by Google. So I want to show us that by the time I log in right now, you are going to see your credentials, that's your email, your password, being saved in the Firebase database. So you just imagine the way we sign up and the way we log in at times in most of these applications. Our credentials are being saved in a database, and I just want to show us this inbuilt backend service that Firebase, powered by Google, is offering. So this is a basic login page that I built with React. And by the way, it's responsive. So if I inspect, you can see that it's responsive, right? It's responsive. So if I put in my email, let's say Yemi08 at gmail.com, and I put maybe one year password. By the way, this is also functional. You can also check. So once I log in, my credentials are being saved in the Firebase database. So if I should check now, you are going to see my database. You're going to see my details being saved in the Firebase database. And there we have it. See, this is exactly what I put. My password is being saved in this credential form. So that's about it, guys. This is about Firebase. So with Firebase, front-end developers can actually make full stack application, with Firebase. Although it has its limitations, it has its constraints and all of that, but it's a very good service to get going. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.